Hi, I'm David, and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about our collection of motorcycle boots, brought to you by Carolina. Our biker boots are constructed with a tough, oil-resisting rubber lug outsole that's ready for the road. Available in safety and non-safety toe styles because we know you need options. Our motorcycle boots meet ASTM standards for impact and compression and electrical hazard. Built on a Goodyear welt construction, these boots are constructed with a premium black leather, a tough steel shank for extra stability and support, and a strong woven lace that feeds through die-cast metal hardware for roadworthy durability. Two of these boots are built right here in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania, and are complete with a Pour-On Performance cushioning insole for added comfort. Our motorcycle series is built with the same toughness, durability, and comfort you expect from our performance work shoes and boots. That's the Carolina way, built for work.